The future is coming, but the future isn't about AI. It's about intelligent AI agents. This is a deep dive into real-world AI engineering with intelligent agents. You'll learn everything you need to design, build, and deploy practical AI agents from scratch using the hottest tech in the industry. That means deep dives into tech like CrewAI, OpenAI Agents, LangGraph, MCP, and more, so that you can create awesome agents that can autonomously use tools such as code interpreters, web browsers, file readers, and APIs. But we haven't gotten even to my favorite part yet. You'll learn this tech by actually building awesome, fun, and useful projects that teach you about building AI agents while automating and improving your life, including an AI agent project that helps you prepare for interviews by briefing you, drilling you, and even researching your interviewer so that you can walk into the interview knowing their favorite hobby and their pain points their company is trying to solve. If you've been struggling to land a job, this will be the most useful project that you've ever built. An AI agent project that has agents work together to perform the work of a sommelier and teach restaurants about the world of wine. Imagine building a product that helps millions of businesses around the world to improve their menus and increase profits. An AI agent project that uses MCP to connect apps like Stripe and more, breaking barriers on AI automation and paving the way to build one agent that does it all. I crafted this bootcamp to be the perfect hands-on entry into the world of the future, the world of intelligent AI agents. Join me and thousands of zero to mastery grads now working at Google, Tesla, Amazon, Apple, IBM, Shopify, JP Morgan, and more. I'm Diogo Rezende and welcome to my AI Agents Bootcamp. I'll see you inside.